welcome to today's video. So we're at McSlappy's, we're getting some food. I think today's gonna be a little different. We got some microwave action, I think, everybody. We just got some $4 grapes. Yeah, $4. It's the most money we put into this channel so far. We're gonna put this light bulb in here. I've heard it should light it up. Oop. Oh. Oh no!
That light bulb wasn't rated for 700 watts.
Perfectly safe, everybody. Oh wow. Now we're doing the egg, boys and girls. Oh.
Oh! Oh, twice!
No. Is it cooked good enough? I'm gonna eat it.
We like them cooked well.
I'm gonna eat it for nothing. Just for your entertainment. Oh, there's nothing to eat.
Oh yeah, there it is. Look at the one.
Take a little piece. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. Not that bad. I don't know what that other kid was saying. Alright boys, I'm a little worried about this one. I'm gonna press start. Probably gonna press 5 minutes. There's an airbag in there. It might blow up. I'm not sure. Good luck. Well, we're here at Ames True Value. We're gonna get some jet sleds. Oops, a little hair on the camera. Yeah, get some jet sleds, bro.
We're gonna go in there, we're gonna get some sleds.
And maybe some other sleds.
Whatever fits in this car.
Yeah, that's the other thing. The car's pretty small. We'll see what we get.
I want to need some balsa wood.
Balsa wood, yeah. Luckily, he brought his ID for the balsa wood.
Yeah. You don't know what kids do with that.
No clue what kids do with that these days. I get mixed slaps like always. We got some jet sleds. No, we got one jet sled and some other orange sled that looks pretty dope. So we're gonna go try these out. Alright, that's a little funny. We thought we were gonna sled here. Okay, that's pretty funny. There's no snow.
I could have sworn we were gonna be fine, you know.
I know, I thought there was
You don't know what we saw when we were sitting in the car either.
Yeah.
It looked perfect.
Snowbanks. Look, snowbanks. You can see the snow down there. This is without snow. It still works. Yeah, man. That wasn't that bad. Hard to see, but there's a mud flat out there, boys. It's hard not to go digging right now. But no one's buying worms, so that's why it's easy not to go. So here's the other one. I remember having one of these as a kid, and I talked George into getting one, so that was cool. But we're gonna have a little race right now. Brand new, brand spanking new, never been out yet. You ready?
I'm gonna do a 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no! I did not expect that to happen. Friggin' George almost ran me over. Nah, I fell out. Alright, let's get out of here. We're gonna go back home. They're coming for us. Hope not.
I know I've been up to no good.
We're at Trevor's. You like my mustache, everybody? These guys are hauling something. Towing.
Sammy, what's happening?
Nothing.
Is this the new video?
Yeah, the new one. Yeah.
Well, you just missed the best part, dragging that XR4 Ti down over the hill.
Oh, really?
through the trees.
I'm in there like trying to get an extension to like pump the tires up on.
Yeah.
Whatever. And I hear him out here. I think he's just stuck. Like he hasn't even got to it yet. And I come out here and finally get the extension, and it's already up.
Still don't work. Have you ever used this?
Yeah.
Have you ever used it? Apparently the rubber wants to be with it.
Oh yeah, it should be.
That was an issue.
Yeah, Georgie did it. Remember you did it?
Yeah.
You went under it and put it in neutral.
Have you messed with that weight? Well, that did a lot of good. Roll back. That's what happened last time we had a jack.
Oh yeah.
Where I was sliding the jack the whole time.
You were too. We have footage.
Second time we've done this exact same thing.
We're on an adventure. Yeah, we found what we've been looking for, everybody. You can't see it from here. Maybe you can see a little bit. But we're out here investigating.
So let's jump. Probably can't even tell it's a jump. Starting from way up. Here you go. It's like longer than me. Here. Whew. This is where you landed.
Pretty good for a sled.
Probably about 10 feet.
Yeah. Oh no! I'm down, bro. I'm down.
Shit.
No good. Look at what we found, boys. We found a real gem out here. No, we've been walking forever, just finding a place to sled, you know. And we got this. What do you guys think of this? We're Harold Investigates right now, you know. Pretty cool place. I don't know if you're out here and you're lost, maybe, you know, you could. But we're gonna get out of here. We're not trying to cause no trouble or we don't mean no harm being here. We're just gonna get out of here. We just want to look.
There's a mirror. That's pretty scary.
Whoa, mirror. Yeah. Adios, little cabin in the woods. Alright, we're out of here. We've been walking for three days, boys. You know, no water, no food. No, we're about to get out of here. I'm just kidding. We got the sleds. We're just trying to sled right now. Jeez, boys. That was a good one. Still on fire, still sizzling. That microwave did not do any justice against that thing, huh? Woo!
Where's the plate to the door? That's what a microwave consists of.
Yeah.
Just that little bit.
That's it for today's video. If you liked it, subscribe.
Fucking tell them to subscribe.
Alright.
Fuck
you.
Choose what you want.
Alright, just fucking do what you want to do and then if you guys like this video, just keep it to yourself. Have a good day.